Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jollibee-style burger patties right in your own kitchen. First, grab a large bowl and combine 1 pound of ground beef with 1 pound of ground pork. This blend ensures a juicy and flavorful patty. Next, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix these ingredients gently by hand until they are just combined, being careful not to overmix. Now that your meat mixture is ready, it's time to form those signature patties. Take about 1/2 cup of the mixture and roll it into a neat ball. Then, gently press it down to create a disc-shaped patty, approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. A little trick is to make a small thumb indentation in the center. This helps prevent the patty from bulging while cooking. For firmer patties, chill them in the freezer for about 30 minutes before cooking. With your patties perfectly formed, let's get cooking. Heat about 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place your patties in the pan. Cook each side for approximately 4 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Remember, the internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Congratulations, you've made delicious Jollibee-style burger patties. Serve these flavorful patties immediately while they are warm and juicy. They are traditionally enjoyed with a generous serving of steamed white rice. For an even more authentic experience, consider topping them with a savory mushroom gravy. These homemade patties are perfect for a comforting meal that your family and friends will surely love. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.